Is your business secretly working against you? Most seven-figure leaders don't realize their biggest headaches aren't from growth itself, but from the operations that simply haven't kept up. And if you have ever felt like more revenue somehow brought more chaos, this one is for you. I'm Rolanda, Michele, a business strategist and consultant, and I partner with CEOs and executives to streamline operations, align teams, and drive profitability. And today, I want to share with you 5 signs that your business has quietly outgrown its operations and what to do about it. So let's walk through those 5 signs. The first sign, your team is busy, but results aren't scaling. Look, everyone is working hard, but projects drag and outcomes don't reflect the effort. Does that ever leave you wondering, like, where did all this energy, where is it going, right? Sign 2, decisions get stuck at the top. Look, if your team can't move forward without your approval, you're not leading. Like I said in another video, you're bottlenecking. So let's think about it. How much is that really costing you in time, stress, or missed opportunities? The third sign, well, systems feel patched together, right? You got tools and processes, but they're not talking to each other. And guess what? Your teams are spending more time fixing problems than doing the real work. Look, I've seen this sign in businesses of every single size. Sign 4, role confusion. Well, that's when tasks just fall through the cracks, right? Because everyone thinks someone else has it, and that's an operational misalignment, and it's an organizational nightmare, right? And sign 5, well, growth, it feels heavier instead of lighter, right? It's just heavy instead of more freedom. Scaling is adding complexity. And I want to ask you this question. What actually happens if you keep growing on top of a shaky foundation? The truth is this. The growth exposes the crack. They expose all of the cracks that you have. And outgrowing your operations isn't a sign of that you failed. It is not. It is proof. It is proof that your business is ready for the next level. The real question is, do you have the structure to sustain it? That's why I created the CEO Health Check. It's a simple tool that will help you identify exactly where your bottlenecks are and whether you've outgrown your systems. And you can download it for free using the link below. See, I see many coaches out here. They're just selling snake oil, right? Giving you solutions, before they really truly understand your problem. I want you to think about it like this. A runny nose can be a sign of a cold or the flu, or it could just be your allergies. See, the CEO Operation Health Check is a free tool that will help you check your business's temperature to see if you really need a professional or you can just use a home remedy. And if this resonates with you, then we can talk. Let's talk, you and I. Let's talk together, because the sooner you align your operations, the sooner you can scale with confidence instead of chaos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me, Rolanda Michele, on most social media platforms for more ways to optimize your business and reclaim your time. Grab your free resources in the link below, and I'll see you next video.